Hello everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So here I'm just making some soft jaws for my 4-inch desktop vise. And I'm using PLA. So here I'm printing with 10% internal and a 0.3 draft. I'm new to 3D printing, so I'm still learning at this point. But yeah, having good results so far. Design these simple soft jaws in Autodesk 360, saved it as an STL file, and then just load it into Cura 4.4.1 and print it away here. So in Cura they give you a time how long it would take to print out just this single soft jaw, and it's roughly around 2 hours 40 minutes. With the 10% infill I was able to drop that down to roughly an hour or so. So less infill means quicker time. And here's the finished jaw. I just did one at a time. In reality I could have done them both at the same time, but I'm just starting out and just basically practicing at this point. Now I'm just letting the glass bed cool down 100%, and I'll be able to peel that jaw right off. With it still heated, it's like super glue. It's not a good idea to press on it too hard. Here's the jaws in my 4-inch vise. Just put a wooden handle in there just to show a representation so that the jaws don't mar the surface. Thank you everybody, and thanks for watching.